I am Puffy Pups and this is my car, Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Why don't we make numbers from 6 to 10 today? Alright Bubbles, let's go! Let's fold our paper into 2 equal parts first and then start drawing. Yes, let's start with number 6 first. Can you guess what are we going to draw with number 6? Oh well, definitely it is a bird. Can you guess which bird it is? Yes, it's the national bird of India, and which is a peacock. Yes, so let's make curves and start making this peacock. Great! Now let's start sketching it and make the design inside. We only have to make ovals and a design like this. Now let's start making the legs. And finally, sketch it and erase all the pencil marks. This looks lovely. Now, why don't we start drawing a drawing with number 7? Can you guess what are we going to make with number 7? Well, we are going to make an animal who has the longest neck. Can you tell me which animal has the longest neck? Yes, this is a giraffe. Can you see its long neck and long legs? Now, why don't we make the ears and then the nose? Lovely! Let's start sketching it with our black sketch pen now. Try going on top of the pencil marks and complete the entire sketching. Why don't we make its pretty eyes and then the brown spots? The spots look great. Now, let's erase all the pencil marks and then start coloring. For the body of the giraffe, we are going to use yellow color. So, let's start doing it on the body and not on the spots. For the spots, we are going to use brown color. Let's complete the entire body and then take our brown color and start coloring. Try for the outline and color in one direction. Do not scribble. Let's complete all the spots similarly. And then for the nose and mouth area, why don't we use pink color? Great! Now let's start with the peacock's body. Well, we are going to start with violet or purple color. And after that, why don't we take blue color? Yes, and merge it. This looks beautiful. Let's go ahead. For the beak, we will use red color, and then for the body, we will use blue color. Let's do the outline and color inside. This looks great. Now, let's do the spots and then color inside the feathers. Well, we will make slanting lines and complete the entire feather. Now it's time to give a beautiful background. Let's make cute little hearts for our giraffe. And yellow spots for the peacock. Now, let's tear this paper and keep it aside. Well, let's go ahead with the next drawing now. Which is the next number? It is number 8. For number 8, we are going to make a small circle first and then a big circle. Now, why don't we start using our sketch pen and drawing this? Can you tell me what did we draw? Yes, it is a snowman. Let's start decorating this snowman with a carrot nose, a scarf, and a beautiful hat. For the hands, we are going to use brown sticks. Now, let's erase all the pencil marks and go ahead with the next number. Can you tell me which is the next number? Yes, it is number 9. And what are we going to make with number 9? Well, it is a honeybee. Let's make the wings in this way. then erase the pencil marks. Now it's time to color. For the snowman, we will use light blue and color it lightly. We will make sure that we smudge the color so that it looks like snow. Now, let's take orange for the nose and then red for the scarf. Do the outline and color in one direction. Let's take pink and yellow for the hat. And now, let's do the background with a cross mark. We can have these crosses which complete the entire background. Now, let's start with the honeybee. Well, we are going to use blue color and then smudge it with our fingers. Well, this is so much fun! Now, let's use yellow color for the bee. And now, let's use black color. Remember that black color is supposed to be done in the end. Now, let's make standing lines for the background. Great! Now, let's go ahead with the next drawing with number 10. Can you tell me what can we make with number 10? Yes, we can make an animal which does oink oink. Can you tell me which is this animal? Yes, it is a pig. Once we are done drawing it, we will sketch it and color the entire drawing. Yes, let's color it with pink color. Let's do the outline and then complete coloring in one direction, which is standing line. Let's do the ears now, and then let's do the same thing for the entire body. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Stay tuned for our next video. For the next video, we are going to make this beautiful decorative pencil. Paper planes!